I just realized that I misspelled microseconds on line 1. Let me correct that. Add R-O. There. That looks better. Home the cursor and save it. Oops, I'm in view mode. The warning in the box tells me how to save my changes. Since this is an existing member, I need to type replace CPU time on the command line and overtype line 1 with C99,999. I sure wish there was a faster way, and I suspect many people wish the same. There is. A very short edit macro written in REXX can give you a faster way to save this member. This is dinosaur parkour. Faster, better mainframe programming. First, I want to cancel out of this member so that we can take a look at the member stat. CPU time was last changed on December 14th of 2022. I selected that member again. In the upper left, we see that it is in view mode. The R and the O need to be entered again due to the fact that I canceled out a minute ago. I have the cursor position. Press the insert key to enter insert mode. Type R, type O, home the cursor, type save on the command line. Same warning. Press enter to return to the view session. This time type VSAVE, which is short for view save. No warning. Did it save it? When I press PF3, a warning appears again. This warning occurred because the change data flag is on and I attempted to exit the member. I'm going to press enter to confirm that I want to exit from view. Here are the member stats again. Notice that the change date for CPU time shows January 31st at 9:24. It appears that the VSAVE macro worked. Let's view it again to be sure. The cursor is beside CPU time. Press enter. Line 1 looks good. Now it is time to look at the macro. Switch to my REXX Live and select VSAVE. Wow, just 10 lines, of which 4 are comment lines. Line 5 changes the default addressing mode to be ISR edit. Line 6 does not contain a valid REXX action, so REXX passes that line to the default address space, which is ISR edit. Now ISR edit has been told that this is an edit macro. Line 7. If the return code from the macro command is non-zero, exit and show the return code. A longer error message could be displayed, but I've not wanted one. And since this is a personal macro, the only user I am worried about is me. Line 8 gets the name of the member. Line 9 replace the member starting with the first line through the last line. Exit 1 to end this macro and put the cursor on the command line. This is a very basic macro with limited error checking, but it meets my needs. If I make a couple of small changes to a member while using view, VSAVE gives me a fast way to save those changes. VSAVE, which is short for view save, is easy to remember. So far, I am happy with it. Thank you for watching.